Hey everybody, Dawn McGee, your nutrition evangelist here. You may notice that I have a little bit of a different background this week because I want to talk to you about spring and some of the opportunities for, uh, changing things around, having a little bit of different balance in your life. Um, I am reorganizing a little bit in my office, and so I have some new organizers in just a cool, calm spring palette of a light gray and an ivory, which I think is going to make me smile and also hide a little bit of my natural cluttering tendencies. Um, and you may be wondering what in the world this has to do with my mission of ending the toxic dieting culture and helping women get off the sidelines and back to all the things that bring them joy. And this is it, right? This is one of these things about balance. When you've got your environment around you that is starting to get too cluttered and stacked with stuff, then it's hard to focus on the things that bring you joy. It's hard to focus on having good food in your body and good food in your brain. And so what I want to share with you today is some suggestions for taking a look around your environment. Yes, your work environment, your desk, those all have factors. And take a look in your pantry. Take a look in your refrigerator. Take a look on your countertops. Take a look in your closets. Are they set up in a way that they can help make you successful? When we talk about systems, we often think about work and automation and how we structure, different things in our work life. It's super important also that we have systems that will help us feed our body better. And I'm a systems girl. I love systems. Some of the things that I do that make me more successful. Um, you may not think of as systems. You may have heard me talk about some of them before, but I'll list off a couple of them. One is this: I always have a shake made in my refrigerator because as soon as my blood sugar drops and I start dreaming about the leftover pizza in my refrigerator, I know that I need to go eat something that's going to fuel my body and my brain the way I want it to. So there's always a shake ready to grab. I'm not going to grab that all the time, but you know, it's there. I always have protein pre-cooked, fish, shredded chicken. I always have veggies. I always have fruits. I always have nuts in my cabinet. I always have things cut up and ready to go. I have things um, packaged out into portions that I can grab and toss into a bowl and reheat and have a meal ready quickly. And I don't have to think and worry and come up with different combinations of things. So these are some of my systems. I have different spices that I can use to change the flavors. Um, all of these different things that I have developed that suit me over the years, things that I've worked on with my clients to make their lives easier. This is my challenge to you today. Take a look around and see what systems you can put in place to make yourself more successful with your health. I'm really great at doing that in the kitchen, not so great at doing that in my office, but I am in process of reorganizing and making myself more successful in my office space as well. So if you have any tips for the office space, please share them below. If you have any questions about your kitchen space, please share them below and tag me. That is it for today. Coming to you a little bit later than usual because we are on a week-long set of college tours with my kiddo. Today we were at UConn. So more fun stories about that if you come follow me on Instagram. Until next week, as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without being hungry, feeling deprived, or giving up your glass of wine with dinner. Until next week, ciao.